Navigating the crypto frontier and explorating of cryptocurrencies and their impact. In the ever evolving landscape of finance and technology, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a transformative force, reshaping traditional notions of currency and investment. This article delves into the world of cryptocurrencies, exploring the origins, underlying technologies, market dynamics, and potential implication for the future. First, decoding cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate a decentralized network based on blockchain networking or technologies. Second, what is blockchain technology? The foundation of cryptocurrencies, blockchain is distributed ledger that record transaction across a network of computer in a secure and transparent manner. Pioneering cryptocurrency. Bitcoin introduced in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the Satoshi Nakamoto marked the inception of cryptocurrencies. Diverse cryptocurrency landscape beyond Bitcoin. While Bitcoin remains a flagship cryptocurrency, thousands of alternative coins or altcoins have been created, each with unique feature and use cases. Popular cryptocurrencies Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, and Cardano are among the notable currencies, each serving different purposes within a crypto ecosystem. Utility tokens versus security tokens. Cryptocurrencies can be categorized as utility token providing access to a specific blockchain application or security token representing ownership in an asset. Investing and trading. Volatility and opportunities. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, presenting both risk and opportunities for investors and traders. Exchanging and wallets. Cryptocurrencies exchange facilities the buying and selling of digital assets, while wallets provide secure storage for private keys. Regularity landscapes. Regularity framework for cryptocurrencies vary globally, with some countries embarrassing them while others adopt a caution or restrictive approach. Fourth, blockchain beyond cryptocurrencies. First, smart contracts. Blockchain technology enables the creation of self executing contracts known as smart contracts, automating and verifying contracts term without intermediaries. Decentralized finance. DeFi. DeFi platforms leverage blockchain to recreate traditional financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading in a decentralized manner. Fifth, challenges and future perspectives. Security concern. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets face cybersecurity threats, highlighting the importance of robust security measures. Market maturation. As the crypto market matures, regularity, clarity, institutional participation, and mainstream adoption are expected to increase. Environmental impact. The energy consumption associated with certain consensus mechanism like proof of work raise concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Conclusion. Navigation the crypto frontier. Cryptocurrencies have undeniable distributed traditional financial parallelism, offering new possibilities and challenges. Whether you are an investor, developer, or simply curious about the future of finance, understanding the fundamental of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies is essential as the crypto frontier continues to evolve, staying informed and embracing transformative potential of this digital revolution can pave the way for more decentralized and inclusive financial future.